Are you excited to learn about big data in Hadoop? Do you want to know how to design data pipelines in Hadoop to process big data? Do you want to be big data expert and get some exciting opportunities to work with? Do you feel that internet is overloaded with lot of contents and you often get confused where to begin with? Alright, your search ends here. In this course, I'm going to give you a detailed introduction to big data and its market so that you could easily understand the technology trends and different job roles required in the big data market. This course is designed to teach all fundamentals of Hadoop and quickly start working on Hadoop, Hive and Pig. I will go deep dive into Hadoop, where you will learn about history of Hadoop, its complex architecture, Hadoop ecosystem, different versions of Hadoop, setting up Hadoop environment on your machine, different vendors in the market, and Hadoop on cloud. If you look at the companies that are using Hadoop, most of them are also using Hive and Pig on their productions. Hive and Pig are components of Hadoop. So in this course, I have also covered about Hive and Pig, where you will learn about their architectures, working mechanism, demos, and designing data pipelines using them. For your better understanding, I have also included assignments and use cases in this course, where you will learn about real-life applications of Hadoop and its component. Hi, this is me, Anjali Bansari, your instructor for this course. I'm a big data consultant. I have worked on various projects spread across Latin America, US and India in telecom, e-commerce and retail domain. While creating this course, I have mostly focused on content representation and visuals so that you could easily understand the complex architectures of Hadoop and its component. At the end of this course, you will be able to understand real challenges of big data, understand Hadoop and its architecture, work with Hadoop, Hive and Pig and design data pipelines, start your own POCs if you wish on Hadoop, Hive and Pig. This course will also help you in preparing certification exams for Hortonworks and Cloudera. Thanks for watching. See you at the course.